Decoding the phrase, pose as. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we'll dive deep into a fascinating English phrase, pose as. By the end of this video, you'll know what it means, how to use it, and some common examples to illustrate its usage. Let's jump right in. Pose as is a phrasal verb that means to pretend to be someone or something else. When someone poses as someone else, they are trying to deceive or convince others that they are that person or entity, even though they're not. For example, if someone poses as a doctor, they are pretending to be a doctor, usually with the intention of deceiving others. The word pose, in this context, doesn't refer to physical positioning, like striking a pose in front of a camera. Instead, it implies taking on a false identity or role. The word as in the phrase shows the role or identity that is being taken on. Together, they create a meaning that revolves around deception or pretense. Let's go through some examples to help you better understand how pose as is used. 1. Thieves might pose as employees to gain access to a restricted area. 2. He was arrested when he tried to pose as a police officer to scam people. 3. In some movies, spies pose as tourists to blend in and gather information. When using pose as in your own sentences. 1. Remember, it often has a negative or deceptive connotation. 2. It can be used in various tenses, like posed as in the past or posing as in the present continuous. 3. You can follow it up with almost any noun that represents a role or identity. There you have it. Pose as is all about taking on a role or identity that isn't genuine. Always be cautious if you suspect someone might be posing as something they're not. We hope this video has clarified the meaning and usage of this phrase for you. Stay curious and keep exploring the beauty of the English language.